Hello student, welcome to my channel. Now I will tell you crush your exam to with these last minute CUET UG preparation hack. Understanding the CUET exam format is critical for the effective preparation. First step, focusing on CUET, revising the key concept and the formula for each subject. Pay extra attention on the topic that you find challenging. Next, time management is the vital during the QA exam. Practice answering question quickly and accurately to improve your performance. Next, maintaining a calm and confident mindset can significantly impact your QA exam performance. Next, utilize effective test taking strategies to optimize your QA performance. Read each question carefully, eliminate incorrect option, and choose the most appropriate answer. With these expert last minute tips, you are well equipped to tackle the QA exam confidently. इसी तरह की टिप्स एंड ट्रिक के लिए प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए माय चैनल चिंकी क्लासेस। थैंक यू।